It is human centricity first and foremost. It puts front and center the idea of co-development.
The FAIR process framework has been co-developed to deliver greater impact on global food security. FAIR is findable, accessible, interoperable, and reusable. But not all data is fair. And because of this, billions of potential value is being lost every year. By implementing fair and responsible data practices, data can be reused many times. There are 6 steps in the FAIR process framework, and each one contains bite-sized activities. They each provide practical ways to deliver your project's data assets as fair while doing it ethically, step by step. So the FAIR process framework is a structured approach developed to help organizations and projects implement these principles more effectively. And more data made fair could generate up to $5 trillion across sectors every year, benefiting the global problem areas that we face, including food security. These are principles designed to improve the way we manage, share, and reuse data, particularly in research and development projects.
We really have to use our data as an asset in order to maximize data's value for use by us and our partners in strategic decision-making, and ultimately powering faster and smarter progress against the problems that we care about.
The EDA3 project aims to provide capacity development support to the program officer of the Gates Foundation. So when they prepare an investment proposal at the early stage, they can incorporate the FAIR data principles into their investment decision-making already, and also to engage with their grantees. So when the investment is approved, the FAIR data principle and some of the ways of working in data management will already be integrated into the proposal, into the budget, and even have indicators to monitor the success.
By making data fair from the start, you reduce duplication of efforts. Researchers, policymakers, and other stakeholders won't have time to waste gathering data that already exists but is difficult to find or access. When data management practices are embedded from the outset, you minimize the risk of data silos, redundancy, and the inefficiencies that often arise when trying to organize and standardize data once it's already been collected. So if you're a recipient of a Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation grant, before your project ends, ensure that those valuable data assets are findable, accessible, interoperable, and reusable, thereby upholding the open access policy and furthering agricultural development.
It puts front and center the idea of co-development. And from that, there are trickling down domino effects of having better data governance, having better access to data, having more coherence in your governance framework. It is human centricity first and foremost.